Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to add and edit widgets on your WordPress site. Widgets are a simple way to customize your layout, and the best part is you don't need any coding to use them. So let's get started. Open up your browser and go to wordpress.com. Once the homepage loads, look in the top right corner and click on the login button. For quick access, choose the option that says Continue with Google. Then select the Google account linked to your site. This ensures all of your changes connect to the right profile. After logging in, head over to the Quick Links section and click on Edit Site. This will take you into the WordPress site editor where you can start customizing. Next, select the site you want to work on. Once the editor opens, look at the toolbar at the top and click on the plus icon. This is the tool you'll use to add new blocks and elements. From the menu that appears, scroll or type in the word Widgets. This will bring up the widget section, which lets you add different customizable features to your site. Choose the widget you want and click on it. WordPress will drop it into the correct area of your page. From here, you can personalize it by double-clicking on the widget. This opens the editing options where you can adjust text, swap out images, or fine-tune other settings. Take a moment to preview your changes and make sure everything looks and works the way you want. And that's it. You've successfully added and edited a widget in WordPress. It's a quick process that gives you more control over your site's design and improves the experience for your visitors. So yeah. Have fun experimenting with different widgets and make your WordPress site uniquely yours.